Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn HTML for absolute beginners. While many guides on the internet attempt to teach HTML using a lot of mind-blogging theories, this tutorial will instead focus on giving you the practical skills to build your first site. Yes, you heard right. That is the first website page. The aim is to show you how to create your first web page without spending the entire tutorial focusing on too much of why. By the end of this tutorial, you will have the know how to create a basic website, and we hope that this will inspire you for the further into the world of HTML using a follow-on guides. So let's move forward. What is HTML? In basic words, HTML is that language. It is not a programming language. It is a scripting language that is used to build a website page. So, this is the only bit of mandatory theory. In order to begin to write the HTML, it helps if you know what you are writing. This HTML is a language in which most websites are written. In order to style this, we use CSS, which you will learn in further tutorials. HTML is used to create pages and make them functional. The code used to make them visually appealing as CSS, and we shall focus on later tutorial. For now, we will focus on teaching you how to build rather than design. Next, the extension is known as hypertext markup language. As I said before, it is not a programming language just like Python, C and all. It is a scripting language just as CSS, PHP, etc. What are HTML tags and attributes? Tags and attributes are the basic of HTML. They work together. These tags and attributes work together, but they perform differently. It is worth investing 2 minutes in differentiating the two. That is, what are HTML tags and what are HTML attributes. So first we'll go with tags. These HTML tags are like keywords which defines that how web browser will format and display the content. With the help of tags, a web browser can distinguish between an HTML content and a simple content. HTML tags contain three main parts, that is opening bracket, that is opening tag, content and closing tag. But some HTML tags are so like they doesn't have any closing tags. They are self-closing tags. When a web browser reads an HTML document, browser reads it from the top to bottom and left to right. HTML tags are used to create HTML documents and render their properties. Each HTML tags have different properties. You must keep in mind that all HTML tags must enclosed within the opening and closing brackets. Every tag in HTML performs different tasks. For example, the example of tags are paragraph tags, heading tags, bold tag, italic tag, underlining tags, break line, horizon rule tags, and all kind of. Ordered list tags, unordered list tags, etc. Next we can go for HTML attributes. An HTML attribute are special words which provide additional information about the elements or attributes are the modifier or the element. Each element or tag can have attributes which defines the behavior of that element. Attributes should always be applied with start tag. Now that we have gotten to the basic theory out of the way, it's time to learn how to build our first website. And to that, we need an editor. We have to make a good choice between the editors. There are plenty of options. First of all, we must ensure that we have the right tools, which means a good editor. There are many choices in the market. Here are a handful of most popular. Sublime Text 3. This Sublime Text 3 is the latest version, and I myself think that it is the best software, and I, I use only this, and I'll be using this. Next is Notepad++. This is another common for HTML and other language coder. It's tiny program to download and perform the functions you need for writing cleaning code. Next is Komodo Edit. I never tried this, but it's one of the two editors released by the same label. First is, do not use Microsoft Word or any other word processor when writing HTML code. Only an HTML editor, or at the very least your machine's built-in notepad, is suitable for the task. And secondly, ensure that you installed a number of different browsers such as Chrome and Firefox in order to preview your upcoming creation.